Across the wide Pacific, where the wind never sleeps, a silent voyager sails the sky. The Moli, master of air and keeper of distance. Their home is the entirety of the vast Pacific Ocean. They are seers of the sky. They see more of the planet than almost any creature. Each year, thousands of Moli return to the same islands, tiny specks of sand in the Pacific, to raise a single chick. Over years, each pair develops their own language. By dancing together, they reaffirm their bond. Moli are the longest living known species of the bird on the planet. It's hard not to look at this Moli chick and wonder, what will it see in the next 60 years?